1 capsule of Fiber Life plus 1 glass of water. Yeah, I've not eaten my meal yet, so I take Fiber Life 1 capsule plus 1 glass of water. And Fiber Life is the best for diabetes, obesity, heart disease, hypertension, high uric acid, high cholesterol, and for detoxification. So hello, I'm Vicente Ferrer or Vic Ferrer. Okay, and this time in this video is magpapaliwanag tayo, tatalakayin natin yung INTRA, Magnegosyo mula sa ABOT-KAYANG puhunan, part 2. Again, this is part 2. To understand better this video, kailangan panuorin muna natin yung INTRA, Magnegosyo mula sa ABOT-KAYANG puhunan, part 1. Hanapin niyo po yun, ulit ko, INTRA, Magnegosyo mula sa ABOT-KAYANG puhunan, part 1. Nakasuot ako dun ng pulang polo shirt. Okay? Para po mas lubusang maintindihan natin itong tatalakayin nating topic ngayon. Kasi karugtong lang ito nung part 1. So part 2 na po tayo ngayon. Okay, so ang katanungan, paano natin mapapa-increase yung ating discount na ma-avail natin yung pinaka-maximum na 40% discount sa Lifestyles, INTRA, NUTRA, and Fiber Life na products. So again, etong Better Together Kit, ito yung starter kit natin. Nag-register tayo 2,000 pesos with a 1 million accident insurance benefit. May global ID ka na, number, may kit ka, brochures, and meron kang initial na 20% discount na. So itong regular price nito, itong 1 Better Together Kit containing 2 INTRA bottles, 950 ml, NUTRA Plus and Fiber Life, which is 60 capsules each. Sa regular price, this is 1,800 ang INTRA. Ang NUTRA and Fiber Life is 1,500 pesos each sa regular price. So, ang total nito is 6,600 sa regular price. Okay? So, with the 20% discount, initial discount mo, so, mabibili na lang ito sa halagang 5,280 pesos plus the registration fee na 2,000, that is 7,280 pesos. So, starter kit yung tawag dito. Pwede ka na makapag-start ng business mo or use the product, of course. So, paano natin ma-avail yung ma-increase na even up to 40% discount? So, meron tayong tinatawag na point system. For example, itong INTRA is 35 points. So, itong NUTRA is 30 points. Fiber Life is 30 points also. So, dalawa ito, this is 130 points ang total ng 1 Better Together Kit. So, again na individually, INTRA 35 points, NUTRA and Fiber Life is 30 points. Yan ang point system natin, So, pag bibili tayo, for example, 100 points, pwede yun. So, dalawang INTRA, isang NUTRA or isang Fiber Life. So, that's 100 points. So, para mag-increase yung points natin, start purchasing. This you have started. So from the time you have started, tuloy-tuloy, kunyari every other day bibili ka or every week bumibili ka. So from the start ng pagbili mo, pwede mo ma-accumulate yung points mo. So cumulative, So kapag nakapag-ipon ka na ng 600 points from the time na nag-umpisa kang bumili, so 600 points, kapag na-attain mo na yung 600 points, magiging 25% ka na in all your next purchases. Now, sa tuloy-tuloy mo pa rin pag-order, pag-purchase ng products hanggang sa ma-avail mo, kahit even if it will take you 1 year pa na mabuo, nakabuo ka na ng 1,200 points from the time you started to purchase ng lifestyles products, intra-nutrient fiber life, lifestyles intra-nutrient fiber life. So magiging again 1,200 points yung mabuo mo na magiging 30% discount ka na. Okay? Now 30%. That's it. True. Out of the point system po tayo. So kapag for example, yung 600 points maring intra lang lahat. So 18 bottles of intra na total na cumulative mo na purchase. Or maring 5 better together kit, 5 boxes nito. Okay? 5 better together kits, that is actually 650 points na. So magiging 25% ka na in the next purchases mo. So that's it. Okay? So ganun yon. Regardless of the data. Now, paano naman ma-avail yung 40% discount? Kailangan within 1 month. Again kailangan within 1 month from the time na nag-purchase ka. Let's say, example lang May 17. Kailangan by June 16 to be safe by June 16, dapat natapos mo na-accomplish mo na, nakapag-purchase ka ng total na cumulative na points na 1,400 points. That's it. Magiging direct distributor na rin ang status mo. Full distributor ka na. In other words, 40% discount ka na. Okay? So that's it. Now, kung talagang raketera ka, mabilis mo lang ma-achieve yun. For example, bumili ka ngayon. Masyado kang talagang kang mag-sales talk, mag-convince. Malay mo, baka bukas pa lang pag-chat-chat mo or pag-online chat sa mga friends mo. Pwede mo ma-introduce ito yung mga taong may tiwalang-tiwala talaga sa iyo. Kasi very credible ka. So, maaaring makabenta ka bukas, 4 na better together kits. Wow! O, malapit na. So, magiging 25% discount ka na. So, bili ka na naman ulit. Malay baka 1 week lang. 40% discount ka na. Okay. So, kung ano yung discount mo, iyon din mismo yung profit mo. For example, itong Better Together kit, sa 40% discount, your profit is 2,640 pesos. Kasi sa Intra, sa 40% discount, 720 pesos. Sa Nutra Plus and Fiber Life is 600 pesos yung profit mo. Now, kapag may bumili sa iyo, or may through your website, international, outside the country, maring dollars yun. For example, sa US. So, yung 1 intra bottle, that's almost 1,000 pesos yung profit mo. So, sa isang Better Together kit, that is 3,000 pesos na. More or less, So, that's good business, right? So, yun ang i-achieve natin dapat, yung 40% discount. So, gawin natin goal iyon. So, another way how to achieve the 40% discount, with the 20% discount, for example, nakabili ka na ng 4 Better Together kit. Maghanap ka lang ng, pwede kasing magpa-sign up ng 7 different persons na mag-sign up under you at they will also buy this starter kit. So, in other words, mag-register din sila, mag-sign up na with 7,280 pesos. So, buo na yung 1,400 points mo. Direct distributor ka na with 40% discount. See? So, ang dami-dami pong paraan. Kung rakitara ka talaga, grabe. Maaari mo talaga itong ma-achieve ka agad. Mabilis ka lang. Especially kung talagang skillful ka with online business. Okay? Kung ilan yung discount mo sa benta-bentahan ng sistema, kung ilan yung discount mo, yun mismo yung profit mo. Kung less than 40% ka, discount ka ha, hindi ka pwedeng magkaroon talaga ng passive na lifetime monthly income na available. Hanggang doon ka na lang talaga sa benta-benta. So, i-achieve natin yung lifetime possible income, mag 40% discount talaga. Okay? Maging direct distributor. Full. Kasi pag once na nakapagpa-sign up ka, let's say 10% discount lang, 20% discount, or up to 30% discount siya, ayaw niya talagang maging 40%, ayaw niyang gawin yung business talaga, huwag na natin pilitin. Siyempre, bibili at bibili yan. So, may passive income ka pa rin yun, magkakatseke ka. Now, kung meron kang business builders na 40% distributor niya at seryosong ginawa rin yung business, magkakaroon ka ng royalty bonus. So, may cheque ka buwan-buwan, lifetime passive income. Ganon. Si goal natin iyon. Ang ganda po ng business. So, to achieve this 40% discount, huwag tayong bibili kung saan-saan lang o kani-kanino lang. Kasi dapat pumasok sa points natin, sa IT natin. Okay? Kasi minsan inalok na tayo ng mga nagbabagsak presyo ng mga illegitimate na mga distributor. So kailangan tanungin natin kung active pa yung lifestyles ID niya. Kasi minsan kasi bumibili tayo ng INTRA, di ba? Pag na-consume natin yun, na-consume natin, itatapon yon. O malay natin, ginagamit nila yung bottle at iba na pala ang laman, di na pala INTRA. So to make sure na authentic, genuine at fresh yung product natin, sa direct distributor po talaga tayo bumili na may lifestyles ID na active. Okay? And matuturuan tayo, magagabayan properly kung paano talaga yung pag-inom. At dapat sa label ng products is meron siyang FDA code and the expiration date. And going back, again ha, para magkaroon tayo ng 40% ma-achieve natin yon, bili talaga tayo na sa atin. Mag-sign up na lang tayo, 7,280. May benefit ka na, may 1 million accident insurance benefit ka na. May free personal website ka na. May initial 20% discount ka na. May global ID number ka na. Kasi for example, dumating yung time na with the help of the Lifestyles, INTRA, NUTRA, and Fiber Life products is with the help with our food supplement products is gumaling ka sa iyong mga karamdaman, matinding karamdaman, naging maayos na it was helped na address with the help of our Lifestyles products. Siyempre, magiging excited ka na rin ibahagi yon, lalong-lalo na sa mga taong nakakilala sa iyo, mga kaibigan mo, pamilya mo. So curious sila. So gusto na rin nilang uminom ngayon ng Lifestyles product. So paano yon? Sa akin bibili? Why not sa iyo? 'Di ba? Gawin mo na rin yung business. Maari ka nang kumita, and with your blockbuster na personal testimony is maari ka na rin magkaroon ng passive lifetime income. Just imagine, ang purpose mo lang, inom lang ng inom, naka 60 bottles ka na para ng INTRA, or naka 12 better together kids ka na bumili kung saan-saan, kung kani-kanino lang, hindi ka naman nag-register. Di sayang, sana 40% ka na lang, naubos lang yung pera mo, sa katitipid-tipid mo. O di wala, di sana makapag-start ka na right away din ng business. Iyon ang kaibahan. Mag-register po with the starter kit para agad-agad may ID ka na. Avail the discount at pwedeng umakyat up to 40% discount. Okay, I can help you how to earn that passive income kung gusto niyo po. Gagabayan ko kayo. This is Vicente Ferrer, mobile number 0915-843-2474 or +63 915-843-2474. And to join online, just proceed to my intrasite website, www.myintrasite.com/Vicente Ferrer, small letters, one word. Again, www.myintrasite.com facebook.com/Vicente Ferrer, and then click the join now button. Again, join now button, click it there. And then I reside, and then kung sa Philippine setting ka, makikita mo din sa first na choice doon, buy a registration kit, distributor kit na 2,000 pesos. 20% discount ka na kagad sa pagbili. Okay? Now, for example, kung other countries ka, USA, nasa Hong Kong ka, Malaysia, Singapore, pwede ka mag-online. Click the join now button, and then mag-flash ka agad yung application form. And be sure to encode my ID number 980002143334. Tatlong 0 ha. 980002143334. Kindly double check. And then, to make sure that it's me, click verify sponsor. Lilitaw po, magpa-pop out yung pangalan ko, full name, Vicente Ferrer, or just simply F kung hindi nakasim full name ko. Again ha, double check my ID number and verify sponsor that it's my name. To make sure that it's me, so I can guide you on the proper serving instructions of our products, and to guide you as well in doing the business to earn a possible lifetime passive monthly income willable to your loved ones or to your family. And kindly visit my Facebook page as well, www.facebook.com/INTRA-Pilipinas. Again, one word, small letters, INTRA-Pilipinas. www.facebook.com/INTRA-Pilipinas. And subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates on my posts. And drink INTRA, share it, pass it on, and help other people live better every day. Just remember, health is wealth. With Lifestyles INTRA, Nutra, and Fiber Life, healthy ka na, nakatulong ka pa sa iba, may passive income ka pa na possible na maging lifetime. Okay, stay healthy, stay safe, stay home. God bless us all.